Here's a quick summary of eresource ERP, an ERP solution for every industry verticals, an ERP for discrete and process manufacturing, for construction and contractors, logistics, trading and distribution, financial services, and also for many other service industries. We will cover how eresource ERP stands out in its every functionality compared to other ERP products in terms of features, business intelligence, mobility, implementation timeframe, integration, and data security. eresource is the only ERP software designed on zero-code framework that automate workflows and processes. eresource implementation is 10 times faster compared to other ERP applications. eresource provides working environment with various systems and processes, including manufacturing, project management, engineering/production, CRM, inventory, procurement, supply chain, planning, budgeting, logistics, accounts, and human resources, and any kind of taxation system can be configured quickly and easily. eresource ERP is a business tool that not only helps you keep track of all your daily business activities, but also maintain the progress of a multitude of business processes under a single system. Implementation time for eresource is much faster than any other similar products. The unmatchable features like its scalability, flexibility, and extremely simple-to-navigate interface make it an ERP system that has no substitute. Compared to any other BI tools, eresource's BI tool is amazingly easy to use and works like Microsoft Excel Pivot. Here, you can slice and dice data for analysis purpose and create multi-dimensional reports, dashboards, and many more. eresource has exceptional mobile access on both iOS and Android apps. eresource ERP provides users the opportunity to access their data anywhere, anytime, through an intelligent mobile application. eresource has been integrated with a wide range of security patches, which protects from any illegal access and ensures accessibility and integrity of system data more secure. eresource can be easily connected and synchronized with other business applications, such as e-commerce, customer relationship management, CRM, electronic data interchange, EDI, marketing tools such as analytics, and other databases and data points that your business operates with. Hundreds of eresource customers have commented on eSource as one of the most reliable and affordable ERP system in the market. Everyone has certified that eresource ERP is more dynamic than any enterprise solution where you may need to do several entrances to complete one task. One of the best ERP systems we ever came across. An ERP system that doesn't have a substitute. eresource's flexible and affordable pricing structures provides everyone, including SMEs, with a technology solution having all of the functionality and benefits of a big company ERP system, but with a minimum investment. eresource ERP solution is built on the rich technology heritage and deep industry expertise. Visit our website, www.eresourceerp.com, to explore an ERP system that could bring tremendous changes in your business process. Go for it today to make a better tomorrow.